Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back bare face, so I have no makeup on, no primer, no anything. All I have is my brows done and my hair. So let's jump right in and see what this bad boy is about. I got it for, I believe, $8.99 on Amazon. It was Amazon Prime, so it came next day delivery. I literally ordered this yesterday like around 4 and I got it this morning around 11. So okay, Amazon, I'm gonna prime today with the Smashbox photo finish primer. So I'm just going with the primer, especially around my D-zone, because this is where I'm most oily. I would usually color correct under my eyes because I have bags. Hello, my mom doesn't have bags, but today I want to see what this little baby is about, and it's supposed to cover everything. Today I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way foundation by Too Faced Cosmetic. Today I'm gonna go in with the shade Caramel and Honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it to my face because I don't want to put it directly on the brush. I don't know how it's gonna work. So this is my first impression. I'm just gonna go right in and swipe it, see what the hype is about. So I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I look crazy. Part of the process, baby. So let's go. Oh my god, do you see that? Oh my god, do you see that? I don't know how I feel right now. Oh my. It's definitely covering everything, especially all my blemishes, because I went on a rampage the other day and popped a whole bunch of my pimples. Don't pop your pimples, but I'm crazy, so I popped my pimples. Okay, definitely feels a little weird because I'm used to my beauty blender, but it is doing what it's supposed to do. Like a little shedding, that's normal with every brush. I don't really want to mess up my baby hairs, so I'm gonna go in on my forehead with that beauty blender. Definitely takes a little bit getting used to it. I think I'm getting tan because this is like a little white for me. This foundation is a little light for me, but I'm bronzed it up, so you ain't even gonna see the difference. But this brush though, around the nose, I got a big nose, okay? Ain't nobody gotta tell me. Got bullied in high school for it. Got bullied all my life for it. I still get bullied by my family for it. Like, Dominican families, you know, they be coming for your life. But gotta work with what God gave you. Just gotta contour it a little bit, like, you know? So make sure you get under all your cracks. And I'm gonna get my neck. And my ears, cause if you ain't blending your ears and your neck, ¿qué tú estás haciendo, mija? Dime, ¿qué tú haces? Nada. But gotta say, so worth it. For $8.99, like I got brushes that cost me like $30 and don't do what this do. Okay? Like, bitch. You see how smooth my face looks? Like I look like a baby. Who made this brush? And where has this brush been? Because do you see my face? Like, do you see how flawless like my face looks? So I'm jumping into a voiceover because this video is gonna be too long. I'm concealing with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, just highlighting the high points of my face, and then I'm gonna go in the corner of my eyes with the Revlon concealer. This is a great dupe for the Shape Tape concealer. Then I'm just blending. Girl, don't stop blending, because if it don't look like your skin, dime linda, sigue dándole a la esponjita. Under my eye, I usually like to go under with a brush. I usually like a dense brush. This is the IT Cosmetics Flawless concealer brush. Great brush. Just trying to blend everything, and then on top of it I just go over with my beauty sponge just to make sure that everything looks seamless and fabulous.
Okay, now so I'm gonna bake with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Just putting that everywhere where I put my concealer, just to bake a little bit because I'm very oily and my concealer tends to break under my eyes. Just with my damp beauty sponge lightly dusting it. Also around my nose because I crease and I get really oily on my nose. I'm also putting it on my forehead. Now I'm gonna go in with my Hoola bronzer. I'm just gonna bronze up my cheeks and my forehead with an upward motion. This is the Real Techniques bronzer brush. Love this brush. It's like big and fluffy and angled. Just going in. Now I'm gonna go in on my nose and I'm gonna contour a little bit because God didn't give me a skinny nose, so I gotta contour my way into a skinny nose. This is the Clinique Sun Kissed bronzer. This is my Ride or Die bronzer. Just it really makes me look sun kissed, like really, like I just came from the beach. Like look at me feeling myself. Here I'm just cutting my contour with my translucent powder. I really like my contour to look really snatched. I'm also going in on my nose just to perfect. Then I'm taking a Morphe E2 brush. This is the big fluffy powder brush. For my eyes today, I'm using the Too Faced Beach Palette. I'm using the shade Puree as a transition shade, and then I'm gonna go in with the shade Super Yum just to deepen a little bit on my crease. Just going back and forth. Just keep blending, girl. Keep blending. I'm doing a cut crease today, so I'm just trying to, you know, make everything look nice and blended. But I'm gonna go in with my Revlon concealer, and I'm just here cutting my crease. I like to use an angle small brush, and then I just make my cut crease. Here I'm going in with the shades Peaches and Cream in Georgia, just to put it over my concealer. And then I'm taking a big fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend those two shades, my darker shades and my lighter shade. For my glitter, I'm using the Urban Decay glitter in the shade Cowboy, and I'm just going over the line where the cut crease ends. For my blush today, I'm using the MAC blush in the shade Pinch O Peach. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter spray. I'm so drama queen, like I have a fan just to dry up my setting spray. And then for my highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm using the shade Bubblegum. Then I'm gonna go in with a white liner and a black liner. I'm putting the white liner under my eyes and my waterline, and then my black liner on top of my eyes because I'm applying lashes. These are the Grand Galore by Vegas Nay. For my lips, I'm using MAC Cork, my Ride or Die lip color. And then for my lips, I'm gonna be using the Morphe Peanut liquid lipstick. And then for my gloss, I'm gonna be using Shimmy. Shimmy is like my favorite lip gloss. I'm coming back just to review this brush. Like my face is so like flawless. Like 10 out of 10, will recommend. And for $8 on Amazon with 1 day free shipping if you have Amazon Prime, of course. Like you can't beat that. Like it's so soft and it made my face look really nice. I love it. 10 out of 10 recommend. And it came with like this little case where you put it in, so it's perfect for traveling or keeping it safe, whatever you want to use it for. Don't be shy. This is new for me too. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone as well and step out a little bit because makeup is my happy place and it's my getaway. So just come get away with me while I do my makeup. You could do your makeup. I don't know. Let's do our makeup together. Like I'd be lonely out in Philly. But that's all for today, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.